Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use organic protein powder. Organic protein powder is a fantastic way to boost your daily nutrient intake, offering a clean, plant-based source of essential amino acids. It's perfect for supporting muscle repair, encouraging growth, and simply increasing your overall dietary protein. When selecting, look for powders with minimal ingredients and third-party certifications to ensure you're getting a pure, high-quality product. This guide will help you integrate it seamlessly into your routine. Mixing your organic protein powder is simple. Start by adding 1 to 2 scoops, which usually equates to 20 to 30 grams, into your shaker bottle or blender. Then, pour in 8 to 12 ounces of your preferred liquid. Water, plant-based milk, or even juice work wonderfully to create a smooth and delicious shake. Blend or shake thoroughly for about 30 seconds to ensure there are no clumps, and the powder is evenly distributed for the best taste and texture. Knowing when to take your protein powder can maximize its benefits. For optimal muscle recovery, aim to consume it within 30 minutes after your workout. It's also an excellent option as a convenient meal replacement when you're on the go, or as a nutritious snack to keep you feeling full between meals. Many people love adding it to their breakfast smoothies to boost satiety and provide sustained energy throughout their morning routine. Beyond shakes, organic protein powder is incredibly versatile. Try adding a scoop to your morning oatmeal, mixing it into yogurt, or even incorporating it into pancake batter for an extra protein boost. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors, like vanilla or chocolate, or use unflavored options in savory recipes. Remember to store your organic protein powder in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its freshness and potency for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.